Have you ever replayed the same moment in your head? Again, and again, and again? A conversation from earlier today, a message you sent, a small mistake you think you made. At first it feels harmless, just a single thought, but somehow, your mind doesn't stop there. It keeps going. What if I said something wrong? Maybe they misunderstood me. What if they're thinking badly about me right now? And before you even realize it, you're no longer thinking. You're trapped in a loop. Today, we're opening another box, and inside this one lives something millions of people quietly struggle with every single day: overthinking. Overthinking rarely begins with chaos. It usually starts with something very small, a simple thought. Maybe someone didn't reply to your message. Maybe someone looked at you in a strange way. Maybe you remember something you said earlier. Your brain tries to understand it. That's normal. Thinking is one of the most powerful tools we have. It helps us learn. It helps us plan. It helps us avoid mistakes. But overthinking is different, because instead of helping you move forward, it keeps you stuck in the same place. One thought becomes two thoughts become five thoughts become 20. Suddenly, your mind starts asking questions that never existed before. What if something goes wrong? Maybe they didn't like what I said. What if this becomes a bigger problem later? Your brain begins searching for answers, but the strange thing about overthinking is this: the more answers you try to find, the more questions appear. It becomes a chain reaction. One possibility creates another possibility. One worry leads to another worry, and slowly, your mind begins to feel crowded. Thoughts start spinning around you faster and faster. You replay moments, you analyze details, you imagine different outcomes, and without noticing it, your mind has built something around you, a maze made entirely of thoughts. Inside this maze, every path leads to another question, every door opens into another possibility. Maybe you walk down one path and think, what if they meant something else? Then another path appears, what if I made the wrong decision? Then another, what if something bad happens later? And the deeper you go into this maze, the harder it becomes to leave, because overthinking tricks your brain into believing something. It tells you, if you just think a little more, you'll finally understand everything. But that moment rarely comes. Instead, something else happens. The thoughts become heavier. Each question adds pressure. Each what if adds weight. Your mind keeps working harder and harder, trying to control situations that cannot be controlled, trying to predict outcomes that haven't even happened, trying to solve problems that might not exist at all. And slowly, the thing that was supposed to help you starts draining you. This is the hidden cost of overthinking. It steals your energy. It steals your focus, and sometimes it steals your peace, because while your mind is busy replaying the past or trying to predict the future, you stop experiencing the present moment. You stop noticing the quiet moments, the simple moments, the peaceful moments. Your mind is simply too busy. But here is something important most people never realize. Your brain creates thousands of thoughts every single day. Most of them appear automatically. You don't choose them. They simply appear, like clouds passing through the sky. But overthinking happens when we grab those clouds and refuse to let them pass. We analyze them, we question them, we follow them deeper and deeper into the maze. The truth is, not every thought deserves your attention. Not every possibility deserves your energy, and not every question needs an answer. Your mind was designed to think, but it was never designed to control every outcome in life. Life is unpredictable. People are unpredictable, and sometimes the healthiest thing you can do is stop trying to solve every thought that appears. Imagine pressing pause, not forcing your mind to become silent, but simply stepping back, watching the thoughts appear, and letting them pass. At first, the noise might still be there. Your mind might still try to pull you back into the maze, but slowly, something changes. The thoughts begin to slow down. The pressure begins to fade. The maze begins to disappear. And when the maze disappears, something simple remains: space, silence, clarity. Not because every question was answered, but because you finally stopped chasing every thought. Your mind will always create ideas, worries, and possibilities. That's what minds do. But you don't have to follow every single one of them. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is simply pause and let the thoughts pass, because peace doesn't come from solving every what if, peace comes from realizing that you were never meant to solve them all, and the moment you stop chasing every thought might be the moment the maze finally disappears.